Hey class, welcome back to science class, where we explore the fascinating world of science. Today, we are discussing the classification of matter as either elements, compounds, or mixtures. Let's briefly discuss matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So, literally all the stuff around us. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. And matter can be classified as an element, compound, or mixture based on the type of atoms they are made up of. Now, starting with elements. An element is a substance that is made up of only one type of atom. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. There are currently 118 known elements, each with its unique properties and characteristics. These elements are all arranged in the periodic table based on their structure and properties and are each represented by a specific letter or two letters. Next, let's move on to compounds. A compound is a substance that consists of two or more different elements that are chemically combined in fixed proportions. Such as water, which is made up of hydrogen and oxygen elements. Sodium chloride is a compound composed of sodium and chlorine elements, and potassium hydroxide is a compound composed of the elements potassium, hydrogen, and oxygen. The atoms of compounds are always bonded in a specific ratio. For example, water is bonded in a fixed ratio of 2 hydrogens to 1 oxygen. Each compound is written in a chemical formula which represents this ratio. For water, the formula is H2O. Unlike elements, compounds can be broken down into their constituent elements by chemical means. Now, let's talk about mixtures. A mixture is made up of two or more substances that are physically combined and can be separated by physical means. Examples of mixtures include air, a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and water vapor, and a solution of sugar and water. The substances in mixtures keep their properties and do not react and form other compounds. Unlike compounds, mixtures do not have a fixed composition or chemical formula. It's important to note that mixtures can be further classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. In a homogeneous mixture, the components are evenly distributed and cannot be distinguished by the naked eye. For example, a solution of sugar in water is a homogeneous mixture. On the other hand, in a heterogeneous mixture, the components are not evenly distributed and can be seen with the naked eye. For example, a bowl of different vegetables is a heterogeneous mixture. In summary, elements, compounds, and mixtures are the building blocks of matter. Elements are the simplest form of matter, while compounds are chemically combined substances, and mixtures are physically combined substances. It's important to understand the differences between the three and how they relate to the world around us. So, that's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos on chemistry. Thanks for watching.